Hey everybody, I'm Jason Ribi and welcome to my mountain riding masterclass. So today we're going to look at a few of the tools that I use to get into new terrain and ride new terrain. Probably number one on the very baseline would be starting on the computer, looking at maps, things like that, looking at road access, ins and outs, bailout points, whatever that's going to be. Obviously incline, and then, even if I can with satellite image gain a bit of an idea of what tree spacing is kind of like, and then looking for sort of features that I can implant into my mind so that when I'm out there, it's easy for me to keep moving at a good pace without always being stuck in a map or something like that. So once I decide on a piece of terrain that I'd like to try and get into, obviously breaking that down and looking at things like overhead hazards, avalanche, safety, what the weather's doing, and how that plays a correlation to what my plan for the day is going to be. I think sometimes depending on where I'm going or how far out I'm going, I'll change a little bit of the things that I'm bringing with me, whether it's bringing a little bit more overnight sort of survival stuff versus just the regular everyday, guide bag kind of equipment, but just being cognizant the whole time of what possibly could be the outcome and how long you could be there, right? Yeah, I think given the context that it's a job for me as well, guiding and spending days on snow in a working context, it's ultra important for me to get out and fun ride as well. So that can be anything from looking at a new zone and adventuring into that, or even riding some new little micro zone that's maybe a 4-hour adventure and you're out of fuel and it's close to home. But I think it's important to keep that aspect of it. So for me, going out and riding some super tech tree zone is all it takes to keep me interested these days, to be honest. I think the best part about being prepared before you go out on your ride for the day is knowing that the whole time you're there, you're not worried about anything else. It's all sorted out and you can just forget about it and enjoy the adventure and the reason we all love snowmobiling.